Okay, this is my interpretation of a Carson rifle, Kit Carson rifle. I'm giving you a video tour, and I'm going to take it out and you're going to see a group 3 shots. There's going to be a little bit of a better deal on this rifle. This is my first try at inlay, silver inlay, so they're not perfect. The rifle has a brown, rust brown finish, and it also has some wear marks in spots to make it look aged. Okay, here's the other side of the rifle. It's got the silver star with a wooden inside, teardrop side plate. There's another inlay, and we go running out. This one has a late style trigger guard. You can see some of the wear on it. That's intentional. We're going to shoot with 50 grains of powder. I shoot targets, and I recommend targets and close range shooting and stuff like that, and matches. When you go on and shooting a match, 50 grains of 3F is fine. For hunting, I step it up to 100 grains, and if you're going to use 2F, maybe you can go 110 grains. That'd be my recommendation. I've tested it, and pouring more powder in it doesn't get you enough to make it worthwhile. So I'm going to load this up. I'm going to shoot 3 shots with 50 grains each, 5.30 round ball, and a 0.15 patch. Got a target up there at 25 yards. This is a 70 twist Green Mountain barrel, L&R lock and trigger. So here we go. Okay, first one is 2 inches low on dead center, but you're more interested in the group, so let me load up and we'll shoot 2 more. Push down. So let's give me 1 more. Yeah, not bad. All right. Okay, 100 grain load. I'm going to use the same aiming point, so it'll probably shoot a little bit higher. I've been picking up the patches, the snow in front of me, no burns. So the 0.15 is a good patch. All right, let's go look at the target. Okay, so you should be able to see these. 1, 2, 3. These bottom 3 was the first 3 shots with 50 grains, and then this one in the top here that's a little higher, which I expected it to be, is your 100 grain charge. So, I mean, I realize it's got to be moved over and lifted up a little, but you're interested in a group, and there's your group. I think it'll be a good hunting rifle for someone. 54 caliber. I killed a deer this year with 54 caliber. I've killed deer and elk with them. Weighs about 10-12 pounds. So, anyway, there you have it.